Hello everyone, my name is Shivam and today we are going to discuss about a self-help book named As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. It's a very good book in the field of psychology and mental process and self-help also. And the fact I recently get to know about is that it is written by James Allen during the time when he's in prison. So the book definitely tells about the thought process of a person, what he feels about life, what he feels about the freedom and all, and the whole thing intensifies when someone written a book during his time in jail or prison. So I had completed this book in nearly 1.5 day, and it's a very small book actually, but the content is very intense or profound. This book is definitely going to change your life if you have a read and actually applies it in your life. It has 7 chapters, and each chapter definitely going to change your thought process or the process in which you think for every situation. And very nice book actually. You must read it. And I'd bought it in Flipkart Big Billion Days, so it cost me around 79 rupees, which is way much less costlier. What its content provide is a very good book. So in self-help there are very less book which gives you the content which everyone truly needs. The first one is Think and Grow Rich, very good book. The second one is As a Man Thinketh by James Allen, and the third one I would say The Man Who Sold His Ferrari by Robin Sharma. That is also very nice book. So if we talk about the chapters in it, actually every chapter gives you detail and every situations how to deal with difficult situations in life and all. It's a good book. So chapters are, yes, there are 7 chapters and contains only 93 pages. But one thing I noted in this book that you need a strong kind of strong vocabulary to read this book. And if you are a beginner, you can read this book, but you need a dictionary besides you. So I noted this thing in this book. It contains some heavy words actually, for not for a naive reader like me. So it contains 7 chapters, namely thought and character, which describe about the initial thought process, how we had developed from the childhood, what thoughts our parents put in ourselves so that we can change our life or something similar. Very good chapter. Second is effect of thought on circumstances. How you can change your circumstances or how you can change your problems, how you can change neglect the problems by just changing the one thought in your mind. Means you can avoid any difficulties in your life by just changing one thought. How you can see the situation or how you can deal effectively. So that is described in the chapter 2 of this book. The third chapter is effect of thought on health and the body. In this chapter, it's basically how a thought in your mind can make you sick, or how the thought of mind can make your body out of the any fatal disease. Like if you are hospitalized and doctors say that there are no chance of saving this person, and if the person 100% believes that he can be get back to home and get back normal, and that is described in this chapter. It's a good chapter also. Fourth chapter is thought and process and purpose. Same thing, but new thing actually. Fifth chapter is the thought factor in achievement. How you can achieve greater things and great successes by changing the thought process, or how to think effectively to achieve that level of success. Good chapter. Sixth and seventh chapters are vision and ideals and serenity. The thought should be calm, positive, and out of negativity to achieve whatever you want in your life. So this is it in this book. When the student is ready, the master will appear. It's very great for motivation, and it's not that motivation kind of a book, but it's like um, how to think effectively, or how the single thought in your mind can do masters and achieve, you can achieve great successes in your life. So this is a must book. I recommend it for everybody. Not that costlier, and you do not take much time to read it. For a naive or beginner level of reader, you just read it in mostly a 1 week. It's but you can change your life by reading this book. Thank you all. Please like and subscribe.